welcome to another pumpkin project from my pumpkin patch collection. This is the second one I'm trying. The puppy and the pumpkin was the first video. Originally, I was going to use the gold flat pumpkin charms in a mini wall, gate, or porch decoration. But after I touched them up with some paint, I thought maybe I could add them to a current necklace I have and then always take them off later. Although I had not considered pumpkin jewelry for the pumpkin patch collection, I thought I'm going to give it a try after I make the regular size one. The brassy gold color charms are made of a metal-like material from a craft store package and then shaped into a half circle or semicircle pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern design. First, I attach the charms to an easy release tape. Then I spray paint with any surface paint primer in a well-ventilated area, or in my case, outside on a non-windy day. When dry, I paint an orange for the base color in acrylics, with yellow for the eyes, noses, and mouths, and then green for the leaves. You can do that on the easy release tape or put that on a plastic protector. When that is dry, I apply a matte sealer. Now I am ready to attach the painted pumpkin charms to the 28-inch necklace. I lay them out to get a design idea. Then I decide to add double-sided foam tape to two same pumpkins on the inside, so that when the necklace is in use, the pumpkins can be seen whichever way that it flips around. Using jewelry pliers and 3/16 inch or 1/4 inch jewelry jump rings, I attach the pumpkin charms to the necklace. 6 of them, the small ones. The larger one, I use a piece of floral wire so that I can go around the center bead. The necklace looks like it will work with several different blouse types for the Halloween and pumpkin season. All right, I am ready to get started making a 1/12 scale miniature version of the pumpkin necklace using sewing thread, 1311/0 or 11/0 common size seed beads in tans, yellows, browns, 1215/0 or 15/0 in light yellow and brown for the ends, and 28 to 42 micro no-hole beads in brown bronze. After I decided on a pattern for the 13 larger beads, which I had placed on a thin wire, it was just easier for me to kind of get an idea of the pattern. Then I transfer them to the brown sewing thread. You could skip this step if you wanted to, just by putting them in that little bead tray. Next, I double check the inspiration necklace colors with the seed bead mini necklace colors. The necklace is for display only and will be fragile by using the tacky glue. You could try using super glue to attach the micro no-hole beads to make it stronger. Begin adding the micro no-hole beads to the center one. On each side, place a glue dot. Make sure it's on the thread too, and it will be the 7th seed bead from either side. Place 2 to 3 of the micro dots on either side of each of the larger beads. Leave a 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch gap in between the rest of the beads and repeat gluing the micro bead no holes to the remaining 12. Next, I add 6 15/0 beads to the thread ends. To make the tiny pumpkin embellishments, I used 7 round half circle shapes, 6 about 1/16 of an inch in diameter and 1 about 1/8 of an inch, by painting an orange base with a green leaf top and yellow face features. I use a quilting pin to make that. You can add a matte sealer to the pumpkins, and then while they dry, make some matching dangle earrings by using 2 11/0 seed beads and 2 15/0 seed beads on brown thread. I glue the ends to secure that. Then I add micro beads around and in between those 2 beads. I shape tiny metal hooks around a quilter's pin and glue that on top of the smaller seed bead. Glue a piece of green thread to the back top end of each pumpkin embellishment, about 1/8 of an inch or so, which can be trimmed later. Now gently tie the necklace thread ends together, double or triple knot, add a drop of glue to the knot, and trim the excess thread when dry. You could use other seed beads instead of the little round semicircles that I used to make the pumpkins and add them on string and then tie them around your necklace. You could also use little tiny paper punched pumpkins and painted orange and add them for the embellishments. This was a fun project. I was able to embellish a current necklace that I have and then one for my miniatures. Here is my 1/12 scale pumpkin necklace and earrings on a 6-inch doll, and my attempts at a turquoise necklace. I will be showing the updates to my fall pumpkin collection, and I'm so glad to be adding this miniature necklace. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and sharing.